Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black C, and I have another video for you guys. Today, I want to talk about Crypto.com, Crowcoin, take a look at Bitcoin, give you guys my opinion on where I think we're headed here, because I've been talking about we've been in a very, very important channel on Bitcoin, and if we do break out down below it this week, then I expect some downside. So without further ado, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video. So guys, first thing is first, over on a crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333BlackC. We are on day 54 of proposing Crypto.com market buyback and burn Crowcoin with a percentage of quarterly profits. Yes, I have started this message 54 days ago. Today we're the 54th day. We are going to continue to push this message until we can start this conversation. Can we start this conversation? In my opinion, yes, we can, guys. Bitcoin is sitting at 60,000. When it makes its next move up, we want Crowcoin to move with it. CrowFam is strong. We can start this conversation. Yes, we can, guys. If we come together, we can start this conversation with Chris Marziak, with Crypto.com, with Cronos Labs. We can start this conversation to market, buyback, and burn Crowcoin. Okay, so let's take a look at the overall market right now. Bitcoin is trading at $60,590 at a very important price level. We'll take a look at that shortly. Bitcoin dominance trading at 55.76%. When you exclude stablecoins, we're basically at 57.76%. Making our way down. I've been saying for the past few weeks now, I think that Bitcoin dominance has topped out until we see that impulse wave and that decision to be made breaking out above or below this key channel Bitcoin's trading in. But until then, I expect sideways chop with dominance coming down. And I expect some liquidity moving into the altcoins. Hopefully we see Ethereum make a nice move to the upside, kind of giving that green light to an altcoin season. But I do expect that to come after we see a breakout to the upside with Bitcoin. So what's going on with Crowcoin? Crowcoin is doing nothing, guys. It is trading sideways, just basically not getting any volatility at all after we saw this big move, a big liquidation, a sweep of leverage happening to the upside and the downside, breaking above and below very, very key support and resistance levels, absorbing that liquidity. That's what we like to call this right here. Lots of sharp price action. But since then, the past 2 weeks have been very, very minimal. We're just floating above this 0.0830 cent level. It's a very important support level. I want you guys to know that. It's very, very important. Every time we test it and break below it, it is a swift move down to about 0.0689 cents, which we've talked about. If you've been on the Crypto Report for a while, you've been a follower, you know, like, we traded in this massive move right here at that level for a long time. We rode that so tightly. It was absolutely incredible. And basically, anytime we break below 0.0830 cent levels, I expect going right back to that. And this is very, very, very heavy support, guys. That being said, are we going to break down to the downside? The real question is, what is Bitcoin doing right now? I know a lot of you guys get upset when I talk about Bitcoin, but Bitcoin is the tide that raises all the boats. Bitcoin is the most important thing for us to be looking at if you are a Crowcoin holder. So we need to talk about that, guys. So where is Bitcoin right now? First things first, I drew this little speculative chart here. I talked about it briefly a couple days ago, where we had a 462-day chop from back in 2019 to 2020. June 2019 to September 2020, to be more specific, a 462-day chop before we really were set off to the races. And right after that, it followed a big, big move, that big impulse wave to the upside, the true Bitcoin bull market, about a 500% gain into 2021. And right now, I just want to show you guys, yes, it is possible to see something like that play out. Do I think that's going to play out right now? No, I do not. I think there will be a rhyme to that price action, though. We've been trading it for about 170 days at this point where we're at right now, from starting, if you want to start from March of 2024 to where we're at right now. It's been some time, guys, about 170 days. I do think there's something to be noted here, though. This past 462-day trading channel before the 2021 bull run was pre-halving. Keep that in mind, guys. We are post-halving, but I still think that there could be some time of this sideways chop. So if we look at a different chart here, you can see that we're looking at the weekly on Bitcoin, that we are basically trading. Like I said, we've been chopping around post-halving for a significant amount of time. I do think that we can continue this chop, but something to be really paying attention to here, guys, is that if we do not break down to the downside below, let's say 58,500 around that level. If we do not break below that on the weekly, which is in 3 days and 2 hours, then I do think this is somewhat of a war of attrition, and we will see prices to the upside. But we still have 3 days and 2 hours. We want to close above $60,000 in my opinion, guys. Otherwise, I do think that there's a higher likelihood that we spill over here. That being said, where we're at right now, we're in indecision. We're still chopping around. This chop is going to continue in my opinion. And if we do get that closure below 60,000 and we do start to make our way to the downside here on the weekly candle closure, in my opinion, all that really says is, okay, we're setting up for a longer term corrective period and probably set up for maybe another 100 days, dare I say it, of sideways price action, probably floating above 45,000. I think $48,000, $49,000 is a very important price level to be looking at for Bitcoin. So we're going to have our eyes open for that, guys. And when Bitcoin does hopefully not close below $60,000, I'm leaning a little bit more bullish, especially for the FOMC coming tomorrow. Hopefully Jerome speaks some dovish whispers in everyone's ears and can stimulate the crypto market. If we see that, then I'm going to be keeping my risk open to the upside. But right now, I am a little bit more bearish. I will be honest with you guys. Guys, if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Go follow me on Twitter at 333BlackC. If I can reach 500 followers by Sunday, I will give away $100 with a Crowcoin to one of you guys. And I'll burn $100 of Crowcoin too. I've been doing that as well on crypto Twitter. I've been saying, I'll give away $100 with a Crow. Burn $100 with a Crow. Do my part in this Crowcoin burn. Also, check out some fantastic referral links down below. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, a $4,100 sign-on bonus to Femex. All you got to do is go below this video in the description box, click those links, deposit, trade a bit, get a bunch of free money. Take advantage of this if you want to leverage long this move to the downside or leverage short it. You decide. Leverage is a very useful tool. It is risky, so please use it at your own risk. That's all I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.